About 8 years ago now, we got a new instrument, the MALDI-TOF mass spectrometer. Our department got together and we wrote a grant proposal to the National Science Foundation to get the money for this instrument, competing against all the other universities in the country for those funds. We were fortunate and we got the grant, so we were able to buy the instrument. We did all the things that we said we were going to do in the proposal, and then many, many, many more things as well. My students and I developed some analytical methods for that instrument that were particularly applicable to the sorts of questions that arise in a museum setting. We were able to make use of the extreme sensitivity that it has. That is, you can measure very, very minuscule amounts of material, and that's important in a museum setting because you can't go taking apart a work of art in order to figure out what the chemical composition is. For the last 6 years now, we've been working on various specific projects with the MFA.
We got Japanese woodblock prints, and we analyzed the dyes in them with a machine that we have at Simmons called MALDI, or matrix-assisted laser desorption and ionization. And what that did was find the chemical weight, molecular weight of whatever dye it was.
It's very independent. You do a lot of your own work, but I mean, he's always there to guide you, and that's always helpful. My senior research project is we work in conjunction with the Boston Museum of Fine Arts. It was really cool that we got to visit the Museum of Fine Arts. We saw their labs and the instruments they use. The lab over there gives us samples of artwork, and so we take that artwork and analyze it, see what the compounds are inside the artwork through the MALDI-TOF. And this helps the Boston Museum of Fine Arts determine how to display it.
And we've solved some interesting problems, and we have other ones underway. One of Ozma's artifacts was a ceremonial blanket from the Northwest Coast, and in that we've identified a natural plant dye that is known to be very sensitive to light. So the MFA has got that displayed now under very low light conditions. So those are the sorts of things that we work on, and we look forward to some more interesting mysteries brought to us by our collaborators at the MFA.